Hello, good morning, children. So now we'll start a new chapter, measurement of mass. That is chapter number 7. Okay. So when you go for shopping, that time you must have seen when you buy a biscuit packet or butter or bread. So there it is written what is the weight of that packet. Okay, mass. Okay, 100 gram, 125 gram, 400 gram, like this. Okay. So you can know what is the weight of that thing. And when you go for shopping of vegetables or grocery, that time also you can see this type of weighing machines are there. The shopkeeper, okay, measure how much you want. If you want 1 kilogram, 500 gram, 250 gram, that balance it and give you. So when you go for shopping with your parents, you keep watch all these things, then you can know. So next, see measurement of mass. So in measurement of mass is measured in terms of kilogram and grams. Okay. So these kilograms, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram. In short, you write kg. Okay. And kilogram is the standard unit for measuring weight. So what is the standard unit of measuring weight? Kilogram. Okay. This is very important that you have to learn also. We use the symbol kg for kilogram and g for gram. The weights of the following denominations are used to measure weight of different objects. Okay. So now this is also more important. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So when it become 1000 gram, it makes 1 kilogram. See, these are small weight are there. 20 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram. Okay. So then 1000 gram means 1 kilogram. Okay. 2000 gram means 2 kilogram, like this. Now you have to write this in your notebook. Measurement of weight. Kilogram is the standard unit for measuring weight. Okay. Kilogram dash is the standard unit. Mass is measured in terms of kilograms and grams. We use kg for kilogram and g for gram. Okay, short term. To convert kilograms into grams, we multiply the number of kilograms by 1000. Why? Because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kilogram will be 2000 gram. 2 multiplied by 1000. So like this, when you convert kilogram into gram, you multiply the number of kilogram by 1000. Just opposite to that, when we convert the gram into kilogram, that time we divide the gram by 1000. Okay. So these are very important that you remember and also note in your copy. Next we'll do the exercise 7.1. 7.1 is conversion. Convert the following into grams. Question number 1 you see. 7.1 exercise. Convert the following into grams. So here also we'll do few questions. See, convert into grams, exercise 7.1. 8 kilogram. 8 kilogram we have to convert into gram. So first you have to write here 1 kilogram is equal to how many gram? 1000 gram. So 8 kilogram will be 8 multiplied by 1000. I told you when you convert kilogram into gram, we multiply the number of kilogram by 1000. Okay. So 8 multiplied by 1000, 8000. 8 ones are 8. So this is very simple. First you multiply like 8 ones are 8. Then how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. You write here. It is 8000 gram. Same 4 kilogram, 350 gram. Children, remember this is one number only. 4 kilogram and 350 gram. This is one number. Don't think these are two separate number. Okay. The full number, this is a whole number that you have to change into gram. So 4 kilogram is equal to how many gram? 4 multiplied by 1000 gram. 4 ones are 4. Then 3 zeros are there, it is 4000 gram. So now 4 gram is equal to 4000 gram, and we have 350 gram. This is already in gram form, so no need to change into gram. So what we'll do, these 350 gram will take and add with 4000 gram. Okay, so it will be 4350 gram. So when you are doing this addition, that time write in proper place. Next, 5 kilogram 29 gram. So it is in kilogram form, that we have to change into gram. 5 multiplied by 1000 gram, 5000 gram, and 29 is already in gram form, so just add 29 here, it is 5029 gram. 3 kilogram 3 gram. 3 kilogram is equal to 3000 gram plus this 3 gram, it is 3003 gram. Okay, so like this is also very simple. Just we have to remember, when you are changing meter into centimeter, that time multiply by 100. When you are changing kilogram into gram, that time you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, now homework is here 18 kilogram 18 gram. I hope you all can do it easily. So now next, see question number 2, just opposite of question number 1. We have to convert gram into kilogram. Okay, gram into kilogram. See children, gram is a smaller unit and kilogram is bigger unit. When you are changing a smaller unit to bigger unit, that time you have to divide. And when you are changing a bigger unit into smaller unit, that time you will multiply. Okay, these two things also you remember. Smaller to bigger unit, divide, and bigger to smaller unit, multiply. And what is the relation between gram and kilogram? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so when you are dividing, divide by 1000. When you are multiply by 1000. So now see, convert into kilogram. So what we have to do? The question is in gram form, so we have to divide. Gram to kilogram means divide by 1000. So 6000 gram is equal to 6000 gram divide by 1000. So very simple division, that also I told you in chapter 6 how to do division of by 1000, 100 or 10 without doing actual division. How? See, in 1000 how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So these 3 places you got. Okay, whatever is left, that is kilogram. 6 is left, 6 kilogram, and these 3 places will be gram. So 00 gram means no gram, so you can write 6 kilogram. Same way, see 7025 gram divide by 1000. See, 3 zeros are there, so these 3 numbers you got or underline. And what will be these 3 numbers? These will be your gram. And whatever left, 7 is left here, 7 kilogram 025 gram. Okay, so you have to consider the 1000 place as kilogram and 1 tens and 100 place as gram. So 11,005 gram, it is divided by 1000. So 1 tens 100 place, these 3 zeros are there, so 3 places you consider as gram. And what is left? 11, so 11 kilogram. 9009 gram, 9009 divided by 1000, it is 9 kilogram and 009 gram. And next is your homework, 8445 gram. Okay, so when you are changing, that time you have to write the unit also. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. When you are changing gram into kilogram, you have to write like this. When you are changing kilogram into gram, then you will write 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. I hope you all have understood and do enough practice of this chapter.